Good morning, everybody. My name is Tinda Febianti, as a manager marketing of King Boba Indonesia. Today, we will presentation about our partnership business in this millennial era, and the name is business franchise of King Boba. Okay, before we continue our presentation, I will tell you about our background. The name of our product is King Boba. Okay, boba is a drink trend in this millennial era, and boba is like a round jelly, but it is not jelly. We call it with boba. And our product King Boba, it is made with brown sugar drink with a good quality and also rich product. And don't worry, the price is very affordable for all elements social. Okay, for the menu, we have a three menu. For the first is macchiato series, non-macchiato series, and also coffee. We have launching our new menu. There are a three. For the first is mango fruity, kiwi, and strawberry fruity. You can imagine that this product is very fresh and very delicious too, and also it is so affordable price for all elements. For someone who wants to add some topping in his drink, we have some toppings. There are lychee boba, strawberry boba, mango popping boba, extra shot, and also who wants to add extra boba. And for all our topping, just 5,000 rupiahs. Okay, do you know what is franchise? Okay, franchise is about a business concept in which the company or the franchisor license another the brands or the franchise to sell the product or the service under the brand name. Okay, what is the advantage about this franchise business? Okay, there are six advantages in our business franchise. For the first is we are already in affordable price, professional team, quick return on investment, reliable support system, and also good quality. For the first is affordable price. Because our target consumer are millennial generation and also all social circle, so we are already with affordable price, but the quality is the best. For the second is we have very professional team and also good attitude. And for you who wants to join this business franchise, don't worry about your investment because our product is reliable in this era. You can return your investment as soon as possible. We also have a good support system which will ready to help your problems and ask every your problems, and we ready to give you some solution about your problems. For the second is we have very professional team and also good attitude. And for you who wants to join this business franchise, don't worry about your investment because our product is reliable in this era. You can return your investment as soon as possible. We also have a good support system which will ready to help your problems. For our business franchise, we have five partnership packages. For the first is silver package, gold package, platinum package boba coffee, diamond package boba coffee, and the last is diamond package boba coffee extra flame gun. Do you know what is flame gun? Okay, flame gun is it is to make your coffee. You can burn your coffee with a gun, and it is called flame. Okay, as you know, for our design concept or tribe, it is very good quality and also very elegant. Now, let's calculation together about how much our profit for this business franchise in King Boba. Okay, imagine that you are as our member silver investment and you must invest to us. It is about 10 10 million and 200,000 rupiahs. Uh, if you can sell if you can sell 40 cups every day, you can get your profit about 19 million and 200,000 rupiahs, and you can cut it about 45% for your ingredients and for your material prices, and for the gross profit there is 10 10 million 10 million and 560,000 rupiahs. And don't forget to pay your worker salary and to save your money for your rent allocation and for the cost of the other. And you can get your net profit. It is about 7 million and 60,000 rupees, and it is your income for amount. It is very big. Yes, I think so. And now please imagine that you can sell about and now imagine that you can sell in medium and high sell, or you can sell 1,000 cups every day. Wow, I think it is the big business for you. So what are you waiting for, guys? Now, how to join with our business franchise? Okay, for the first is you must look for strategy location and report it to our admin, and we will cross check about your location. Is there any similar business in your place? And for the second is don't forget to down payment 50% about your investment and doing your registration. After 2 weeks, we will prepare for your booth based on your investment and based on your package. And after that, you must do repayment minus 50% from the deal price. And after you do repayment, we will deliver your product to your location business. And don't worry, we also give you training before you open your business. We will give you some skill and some knowledge how to manage your business and how to manage your product to be higher and bigger than before. And after all, uh, you must prepare to open your business, and we will help you to make a grand opening of your business. What are you waiting for? Let's join with us. For more information, you can contact us. Okay, and thank you. Bye bye.